Amid the war of words in Maharashtra between Shiv Sena and film star Kangana Ranaut, the actor has now been provided Y-category security by the Union Home Ministry. Kangana, who is slated to land in Mumbai, remember, on the 9th of September, will have the security detail now of 11 security personnel, including 1 or 2 commandos and police personnel of the state as well with her. This after she has alleged that she's been receiving death threats after her tweet comparing Mumbai to POK, responding to Sanjay Raut. The actor has now again taken to Twitter. This time she has decided to thank Union Home Minister Amit Shah directly for the security upgrade before she lands in Mumbai. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has also hit back at Kangana over the latest video. Raut says some people were maligning the Sena and the party has always been respectful to women. Remember, all this while, Kangana has been extremely fierce and defiant with her response. She's demanding an apology from the Shiv Sena MPs. She's also releasing videos saying it is the Sena empowering harassers. She further adds, Sena leaders have been threatening her, yet she will land in Mumbai on the 9th of September.
आपने जिसका भौंडा प्रदर्शन पूरे समाज के सामने, पूरे देश के सामने किया है, वो मानसिकता इसकी जिम्मेदार है। और इस देश की बेटियां आपको माफ नहीं करेगी संजय जी। आपने उन सब महिलाओं का शोषण करने वालों को सशक्तिकरण किया है, इस देश की बेटियां आपको माफ नहीं करेंगी। जब आमिर खान जी ने कहा था मुझे इस देश में डर लगता है, तब उनको किसी ने नहीं कहा, या जब नसीरुद्दीन शाह जी ने कहा था तब उनको किसी ने नहीं कहा। जो मुंबई पुलिस की मैं तारीफ करते हुए नहीं थकती थी। आप देख लीजिए मेरे पुराने कोई भी इंटरव्यूज, आज जब वो पालघर की लिंचिंग में साधुओं को के सामने वो कुछ नहीं करते हैं, खड़े रहते हैं, या एक लाचार बाप जैसे कि सुशांत के पिताजी उनकी एफआईआर नहीं लेते हैं, मेरी स्टेटमेंट नहीं लेते हैं, तो इस प्रशासन के चलते हुए अगर मैं उनकी निंदा करती हूँ, ये मेरी अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी है, मैं उनकी निंदा करती हूँ। संजय जी, मैं आपकी निंदा करती हूँ, आप महाराष्ट्र नहीं है। आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैंने महाराष्ट्र की निंदा की। और संजय जी, मैं 9 सितंबर को आ रही हूं। आपके लोग कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग मेरा जबडा तोड़ देंगे, आप लोग मुझे मार डालेंगे।
जाणीवपूर्वक वातावरण खराब करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला जातोय। कोणीतरी काहीतरी चूक करावी आणि सरकारवरती दोष यावा, अशा प्रकारचा प्रयत्न जाणीवपूर्वक कोणाच्या तरी सांगण्यावरना कंगना रनौत करते। अशा प्रकारचं आव्हान शिवसेनेला देऊन उगीच वातावरण खराब करायचं आणि मग अशातनं एखादी घटना घडली की त्याचा दोष सरकारवर फोडायचा, ही व्यूहरचना आहे। आणि ही व्यूहरचना तिच्या पाठीमागे कोणतरी तिला त्याचा स्क्रिप्ट लावून देणारे आहेत असं आमचं मत आहे। त्याच्यामुळे याच्यावरती काय निर्णय घ्यायचा तो सरकार घेईल।
So let's get an update now from my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu. She's been tracking the Union Home Ministry that has granted that Y-level security. Kamal, this is really big because Y-level security is usually given in very high-profile cases where the death perception or the threat perception may really be high. What are you picking on this? Because this is political now. This is Shiv Sena and BJP to the fore.
Well, definitely. Pooja, what we've been hearing is that this is going to be a Y+ security, which means there will be 7 persons deployed,
okay,
1 at her residence, 1 during a movement. The rest will be around the security when she moves around. This is very specific that the security is being provided initially by the Himachal government. Remember the Chief Minister telling that she will be given security. But the sort of politics which has happened and the sort of retort coming in from Sanjay Raut, the Shiv Sena, what is also very clear is that the onus and responsibility of a citizen's security is with the government, and that is why security has been provided. Now, there is obviously a lot of politics to it. There have been statements being given, but many pointing out that it was unbecoming of Sanjay Raut to challenge Kangana Ranaut in such a way, because saying, daring her to come to Mumbai, and she said she will be coming on September 9th. Now, yes, there is a concern. First, it's the family of Kangana Ranaut which had approached the government to provide her security in the current scenario where there are heated arguments being made, and this is a challenge coming in from none other than the Maharashtra government. Second, the family has already borne a brunt, whether it's a personal attack. Remember, Rangoli Chandel was attacked by acid.
Correct.
And there is a scenario where anybody who is either close to the power or the association could actually have a wild attack on her. That is something that the center has to take care of. And now that the notification is expected to be out anytime soon. She
That's
will
an
be given a
interesting
white house security.
perspective that you're giving us, Kamaljeet. Perhaps there's a reason that the security has been given to her. But remember, now Kangana Ranaut will be landing in Mumbai with a huge security cordon on September 9th, likely to be a showdown as well. Kamaljeet Sandhu with all the latest. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.